Last night I was reading from this notebook, so I made my to-do list in it before going to bed. So I have to complete these topics which I made a day before. And yesterday I had my test जिसमें से कुछ questions relative velocity के भी आए थे and मैंने silly mistakes की हुई थी तो मुझे उन mistakes को भी evaluate करना है. So let's start the video.
Oh girl, you got me going psycho. Oh I know, 네 보였던 하죠.
So it's 7 in the morning and I am making cold coffee because study start करने से पहले I just want some amount of caffeine to activate my mind. I know it's unhealthy to take coffee every day, but right now I am addicted to it and इसके बिना दिन की शुरुआत ही नहीं होती. So I have my coffee on my table right now and I will enjoy it with my revision notes. So at first in the morning I just revised the important points which I wrote down in a notebook, and right now I am revising my test mistakes which I did during my test. So many of us give tests and we found that we have done lots of mistake in that. मेरे साथ भी वो same चीज़ होती है. So I write down those mistakes in the form of points and revise it daily so that those mistakes will not be repeated again, especially in NEET exam, and it doesn't took much time. So after giving a look to my everyday mistakes, I am going to study physics now, and my today's target is to complete calorimetry because this chapter is going to be a part of my next test. That's why I have to complete this chapter. And it's not compulsory for me to start my day only with biology or chemistry. I mean, it's all up to me and it's my choice what I want to read first in the morning. जब मुझे biology पढ़ने का मन होता है then I start with biology or else with chemistry or physics. And if I suggest then आपको भी उसी subject से start करना चाहिए जो आपको पढ़ने में उस वक्त अच्छा लग रहा हो. I mean, don't start with that subject by which you get stressed because सुबह से ही stressed हो जाएंगे तो पूरा दिन waste हो जाता है. And physics से almost सभी डरते हैं. Nobody wants to start their day with physics. And it just happens to me also. तो आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे then why I'm starting with the physics. Actually physics के सभी topics या सभी chapters इतने tough नहीं होते हैं. कुछ chapters ऐसे होते हैं जिनमें मतलब numericals is like fun to solve them. And I know काफ़ी सारे लोगों को physics में बहुत problem आती होगी. मुझे भी आती है. तो उसके लिए मैं अलग अलग strategies use करती हूँ. And for you I have something in this video. So those who fear from physics but want to score well in the exam, so I suggest you an application that is MemoNeet. We all know that MemoNeet has questions taken from each line of NCERT and their revision technique they provided is well known. They have done something really special for physics. They are attacking physics with 4 aspects which is so good for average students, those who struggle with physics. Number 1 is they provide video lectures of only important concepts to help you build concept. Second, they frame questions from each and everything taught in the video lectures, basically each and every second of it. Third, they have physics question section where they have provided video solution of all the previous year questions. The fourth thing is game changer. They have done something unique. In NEET exam, usually same model of problems comes from previous year a lot. So what they have done basically is they took each and every previous year questions and framed a similar type of questions of same concept and same work method so that you get to practice the most important work method more than once. This is definitely a game changer. This section is so unique and it's very helpful. Similarly, you can practice biology and chemistry too to score well in your exams. And last but not the least, to unlock all the chapters, you have to purchase it. So for that you have to click here in the buy section and choose whichever course you want to buy. Then after this page will open on your screen. You can use my coupon code that is Edutyee 2021. If you use this code then you will get 300 rupees discount. So then you have to click on continue to payment. Then pay from whatever method you usually use for your online payments and then you are ready to go. 2-year plans are also available for NEET 2023 aspirants as well. And if you don't have online payment method but still you like the app, you can send mail to memoneet.team@gmail.com. They will help you to pay through bank transfer. So this is all about this MemoNeet application. I must say try it once. The application link and other information are in the description below. You can check it out from there also. So now it's time for biology and अभी मैं anatomy of flowering plants वाला chapter पढ़ने वाली हूँ because ये भी मेरे test में आ रहा है. We all know that NCERT is must for biology. मतलब फिज़िक्स और केमिस्ट्री में हम फिर भी एक बार NCERT के अलावा अदर बुक्स प्रेफर कर सकते हैं, बट फॉर बायोलॉजी वी ओनली हैव one option, that is NCERT. But in some videos you guys found me reading other books and not NCERT. So those are my class notes which only contains NCERT points. I mean, I also don't like to study from anywhere else. I also prefer only NCERT, especially for biology section. So now it's time for chemistry, and right now I am practicing the questions of IUPAC nomenclature. Actually, this chapter wants lots of practice because the more question you practice, the more you get perfect in it. So right now I am writing all the questions in my notebook, and after that I will solve all these IUPACs, and then I will evaluate myself that how much questions I did wrong and how much did right. So अभी पढ़ते पढ़ते भूख लगाई है and I want to eat some spicy, that's why I'm making Maggi. So it's 8 PM and स्टडी टेबल में पढ़ते पढ़ते मेरे बैक में बहुत पेन होने लगा था. So अभी के लिए मैं बेड में ही पढ़ने वाली हूँ यूजिंग माई बेड टेबल. So for now I am done with the chapter, that is letter velocity, and after evaluating my test mistakes I will go to bed. So bye bye.
It's the new wave, turn it up, I'm in the backseat chilling with your girl, what's up? She wanna talk all day, but I'm not in the mood. I'm trying to dance all night, I got something to do. I make hits for the people at home in their rooms, looking for a reason to get out of it soon. Found me on the internet just making some moves. Now I'm going up, CNN on the news. She gon' shake, shake, shake like a bottle she popped at. I'm off that.